white balconies, salt in the air drifting off the sea. Suitcase still by the doorway stays, like I might leave, but I delay. Flip-flops tapping on sunburned roads, palm trees swaying like they already know. Time slows down in the golden heat, barefoot echoes on the street. We said just 1 week, then we'll go, but something in the tide said no. Hotel Floresta nights, we were living slow. Cheap wine, sunset glow, laughing like we'd never go. Under neon skies, hearts on overflow, lost where the warm winds blow, in a place that we could call our own. Poolside shadows at 2:30, faded songs that remind me of you. Postcards written but never sent, every word was a moment spent. Late night walks by the ocean line, your hand reaching out for mine. Street lights blur and the world feels small, like we don't have to leave at all. If I close my eyes, I'm back again, sunset bleeding through the lens. Every second we let it stay, never thought it'd slip away. Hotel Floresta nights still replay in my mind, they never fade. Every laugh, every word we'd say, even now I can feel that place, like a memory